Okay guys, homework number 4. This is going to be due our next class together. Um, and because you like the screencast so much, I am going to continue to do them. I do think it helps you guys understand exactly what is expected of you, just because we get to the end of class sometimes and I'm rushing and trying to explain the homework and it gets a little confusing and frantic sometimes. So here it is explained for your convenience so you can listen to it as much as you want. Okay, so homework number 4, you guys will all have reblogged it in our last class together. Um, the link just goes to my course page. And we will have done the Prezi assignment in class. So you guys, by the time you're watching this screencast, you'll know what I'm talking about when I say Prezi. You and a partner will be working on a slide presentation using a tool called Prezi, and I will have given you all of class to work on it. You need to complete it at least 2 days before our next class together, and that will become clear as to why I'm asking you to do that. Once you've completed it, you need to post your Prezi, you need to make it public, and you need to post your Prezi as either a link or an image that links to the full presentation on your Tumblr. Okay, so either a link post or a text post, and you can copy and paste the link into a text post, or as a picture, and you can make sure that the picture or the screenshot of your Prezi goes to the actual Prezi website with your presentation. Each person in your group, so there's 2 people per group, each of you needs to post that link on your Tumblr. When I go through to grade this assignment, I'm going to each individual student's Tumblr, and if it's on one member of the group's Tumblr and not the other, then that other person is not going to get credit, even if both people did the work. So make sure both of you have it posted. One of you can blog it and the other one can reblog it, that's fine, but it needs to exist on both people's blogs, okay? This assignment's going to be counted as 2 homework grades, and I am going to grade it on a scale of 0 to 100. It's going to count as 2 homework grades for each of you, so it's going to count twice as much as a single homework assignment. Okay, the second thing, and this is the reason why you need to have your Prezi completed at least 2 days before our next meeting. We have to, I think it's really important to peer evaluate in this class. So that basically means looking at our peers' work and critiquing it and saying what we liked and what we didn't like and how we can improve. So what I need you to do is you need to go and find just one other group's Prezi, and you need to answer these questions. You need to tell me who the group members are so that I know who you were talking about. You need to tell me what you liked about their Prezi, what did you learn by viewing their Prezi, and in an effort to make their Prezi more effective, a little constructive criticism. So would you make any suggestions to this group? And if you would, what? And you may not have any suggestions, but we like to constructively criticize people, not in a mean way, just in a constructive way. So keep that in mind. And this can just be in a text post titled Prezi Peer Evaluation on all of your Tumblrs, okay? And then the third thing is looking at your Facebook, Twitter, a personal Tumblr you may have, so not your DigiLit Tumblr, but one you have for personal use, or any other blog, Instagram, or any other type of social media site that you have access to and use on a regular basis that required you to set up a profile. I want you to take a look at your profile on any of these sites. So look at it. Are there things that you've said, exchanges that have taken place, posts that reflect good or not so great digital citizenship? And just respond to the following bullet points right here in a text post on your Tumblr. After looking at your profile and behavior on the site, is there anything you feel that you would need to change? And what did you learn by making these changes? And if no changes were necessary, explain and give examples of why not. And for those of you who don't have a Facebook or Twitter or any of these social media sites, that's absolutely totally fine. I respect that decision. Just post a little reflection on your Tumblr that addresses your decision to not have um, this type of access to these sites. Was this your decision? Maybe it was your parents, maybe it was your own. What advice would you give to your friends who do participate in these social networking sites? And do you think that the lesson on digital citizenship, the unit that we've been really working on the last few classes, has been helpful to you? And how or how not? All right. So that's what you guys have due for me for next class. And this is really going to be the end of our first look at digital citizenship. This is sort of just an overview. We will be doing some more in-depth stuff later on in the year, touching on other areas of what it means to be a digital citizen and digital literacy, really. But that's all for now, and I look forward to seeing you guys this week and next week.